Hey, I know your clinic is doing well. Your patients love you, and you've worked hard to get here. But tell me, when a new patient searches on Google for a dentist nearby, do they find you? The reality is, most dentists don't show up. And the ones who do, they're just a name on Practo, sitting next to 40 other dentists. No photos, no reviews, no way to book. So what does the patient do? They pick someone else, someone with a proper website. And you never even knew that patient existed. That's exactly what KiviCare fixes. We build a proper website for your clinic, with your services, your work, your reviews, and a booking system where patients can directly book an appointment easily. The moment someone books, you get a WhatsApp message. Patient name, time, reason for visit. That's it. Nothing else to manage. And the interesting fact is, our clients start getting new patients from Google within the first few weeks itself. Implant cases, aligner consultations, patients who found them online, liked what they saw, and booked on their own. No calls, no follow-ups, no extra staff needed. Sounds interesting, right? Talk to us, and we'll help you set the whole thing up in just 2 to 4 weeks. You treat patients while we bring them to your door. Book your free strategy call, and we'll take it from there.